Before this video starts, make sure you go follow me on Instagram and on Twitch at, well, my Instagram is Unorthodox Beats and my Twitch is Unorthodox Gaming 97. Links in the description. You know how we do. Let's get on with this video, baby. Wow. So, we're back for a video. Today, we're gonna be doing a Uicideboy type beat. I don't know if you know them, but they're this kind of underground, kind of not group of like rappers from New Orleans that make this very dark but really tough, like really hard trap music. Yeah, we're just gonna copy some of that, like their style, and try and make it into a beat. So yeah, I mean, all they do is just make dark melodies and really loud drums. So that should be pretty easy, hopefully, I think. If you like the video, make sure to leave a like. Don't forget to also comment, share, and subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications, or else you're not gonna see this video. Alright, so let's just, yeah. Alright, so I'm just gonna get a melody with Nexus first. I'm just gonna honestly, like, that melody would suffice. I'm not even gonna lie. Like, something like that is perfect. But of course, we gotta add more to that. We can't just, you know. Alright, so let's open up. I'm just gonna open up another Nexus. This is always so loud. Alright, I don't really like, yeah, let's slow down that piano as well. Alright, so this is what I'm talking about, okay? Simple, dark melodies. That's it. Alright, I'm just gonna keep it like that. And you know what, let's just start with the snare. Or actually, they do use a lot of Memphis samples. Let me try, I'm gonna check these out. Actually, you know what, we're gonna leave that to the end. I just, no. Alright, hi-hats now. Alright, so what we got so far is, I think it's pretty decent. It is kind of simple, I know, but I mean, that's really what, their melodies aren't crazy, so yeah. I did mention that they do use Memphis samples from 3 6 Mafia a lot, so I'm gonna try and add that in. I don't know exactly how I'm gonna do that, but we'll see. We'll see what happens. 808s. Let's try that. I'm just gonna do the 808s now. I'm gonna distort these a lot. Yeah, I need to distort these. Hold on. These are a bit too quiet for me. Alright, you know what? I'm done with the drums, but I want to change the piano sound. I don't want the piano to be this.
12 seconds later.
Alright, you know what? The piano's fine. I'm just gonna keep it. I don't care. Whatever. Just keep the piano. I'm just gonna do the hi-hats now. Let's just mess with the hi-hats. Alright, you know what? I think the beat is done, honestly. I don't think I need to add anything else to it. Oh, the sample. Okay, I'm gonna rearrange it right now. I'm gonna try and add a sample in the beginning and see if I can get it to the same pitch or whatever as the beat. So if I don't, whatever, I don't care. Just watch the damn video. Alright, let's just do this. Alright guys, before my camera dies,
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
there is my Uicideboy type beat. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you learned how to, you know what I'm saying, make a Uicideboy type beat. If you like the video, make sure you like, don't forget to comment, share, like, and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to turn on post notifications, or else you're not gonna see this video. So with that being said, this is a terrible intro, but whatever. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'm gonna see you on the next one, and peace.